What is love?
Zero. Love is blind. No judgment, no nothing. That means no information flowing. You're at zero. When you say, this is what love is, it's bullshit. So.
How would you do that? How would you communicate something so simple to people that they need to have things
I
complicated?
think the way you would do it is by being zero yourself. As long as you're zero, everybody else can go about their business because they're God-made. I'm saying is the divinity is saying to you that you have a choice, that you can be free, which is at zero, or you can hang around with suffering, which is memories replaying, spraying the same old stuff. But you have to make an appeal. You have to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. And if you don't say that, then you can't get back to zero. So like, if you read that, I don't know whether any of you have read The Tempest, Shakespeare's Tempest. The bottom line of that play is that the tempest occurs when you're not yourself. So the basic theme of that play is that when you're not yourself, there are tempests. But when you are yourself, so the whole play is about discovering again who you are, coming back to who you are. Once you come back to yourself, then there are no tempests.
Can you talk a bit about the relationship between divine inspiration and zero?
Yeah. So I'm going to come from a Buddhist point, from the so-called Zen point. So the whole notion of Buddhism is to get back to the void, right? So the void is the same thing that when Shakespeare talks about being yourself, it's about being blank. So, and if you're looking for the kingdom in the Christian point of view, is you're looking for a pure heart. So pure heart, zero, and the void, they're all the same thing. They're just different metaphors. And as long as you're then come to zero, then something wonderful happens. Seek ye first the kingdom. Seek ye first a pure heart. And everything else will be added. So now the flow opens up. Right? But the flow is when you're zero, nothing comes up, and then the divinity comes in as intonation.
If we follow divine inspiration, should we be worried about consequences for that following? If we ask divinity, we might not like the answer we get.
Or you don't even have to ask, you just do your cleaning and it happens automatically. So as long as you get to zero, divinity will give you whatever is perfect and right for you, but not only you, it'll give it to everybody in the universe.
Oh, okay.
Everybody will get. So this is why as I'm cleaning with you, you have come with certain talents and skills that which I don't have. And so as long as I'm doing my cleaning, then everybody goes back to the purpose is to everybody getting back to zero, and then all of you can come and be inspired without knowing you're inspired. There's nothing outside of you.
Yeah.
And you can't, when you're looking, you're thinking it outside of you, but it's not outside of you. It's the data in you that you're seeing. You're seeing the data in you replaying. Or you're seeing the data in you inspired. But it's the data. So if you're at zero, you have no data, nothing going on, you're free. This is called freedom. You're free. God, I'm free at last. And so when you're free, at that moment, everybody else is free. Everybody else is free. So this is what this website will do, that you put up there. There's certain things that will be embedded in the website. So anybody comes up there, they're coming up there because of whatever is in us that's caused them to have problems. We're not doing it for anybody. We're not doing it for those people. We're doing it for ourselves.